Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back on today's video on episode 4 of my Halloween series. We are going to be creating some Halloween bag toppers. Thank you guys so much for all the feedback so far on my series. I see that you guys are enjoying it, and that makes me happy, and that makes me want to create content for you guys. So these are the ones that I created my first time around, just to kind of get an idea of what I wanted to show you guys in this series. But the tickets that I used here were ones that came in a Recollections like haunted house kit. So I don't have those to show you guys today on the bag toppers that we're making today, but I do have an alternate option that you guys can use. So all you're gonna need is, of course, some doilies, some stickers, some little gems or enamel dots Halloween theme, some ink, because you guys know that I'm always inking up my stuff. And then if you have some tickets that are plain like this, or if you have Halloween tickets, you can use some Halloween tickets. These are from Tanya Lay Designs, the Witches In kit, and she has like black ones, pink ones, orange ones, and I decided to use these on the ones that I'm going to create with you guys. And I'm also using, I found these stamps in my kit, and since these, if you see these little tickets that I used on this one, it's all like inked up and it has like a little stamp here. So I figured I can kind of recreate the same thing using my stamps and distressing up the ticket. So this is the one that I made. I used the trick or treat word. And then I also had this little, I don't know where this is from. Let me see. I think I got this on eBay, but it has like 5 little hearts. I don't know if you can see that. 5 little hearts, and I decided to put the hearts in the end just because it looked a little too plain. The ones that I used on these has like numbers, but I decided to add the 5 little hearts in black, and I think it turned out super cute. I distressed it, and then I did this one that says spooky. So we're gonna use that to create one of the bag toppers. I also think I'm going to use one of these little witch fingers. They're so cute. I've been dying to use them. And then also I have some on the back as far as layering, some lace, and this also came with that kit from Recollections for the haunted house, so I'm using that. And I think that's about it. You can use anything else as far as like little spiders, pom-poms. I have that here also, but that's it, you guys. It's super easy, super fun, and let's create some bag toppers. You can also use a bag topper die, you guys, and I'm probably gonna do, I have the bag topper die from, I think it's Lori Whitlock. I'm gonna be making some Halloween theme ones with those as well, but these are just if you don't have a die and you want to do a simple bag topper. So I'm using these deep purple doilies, and these I got at Michael's in like a kit. They had like a whole bunch of different colors. I think they discontinued that bag, but that's where I got these last year. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your doily and you're gonna fold it in half. Hopefully I am in frame. I constantly gotta check if I'm in frame, you guys, because making a video and not being in frame after you go to check it is horrible. I have only one left, you guys, of these doilies, and this was sent to me by my cousin. She actually bakes cakes, and she had these little baker doilies, and I haven't been able to find these anywhere. But this is my last one, and this is the one that I used on these. So we're gonna make one with this one, and then I have this little white doily that I'm gonna put on the second one. So what you do is you wanna kind of like overlap the doily, but leaving a little bit to peek the purple, because you're gonna do like a little layering. And then what I do is I just like add hot glue just to, you can use your ATG gun. I usually use my ATG gun because I don't like sometimes it gets lumpy, but for the sake of the video we're gonna work quickly, adding some hot glue right there. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is we're going to distress the little white doily just a tiny bit. you guys will see watching my series, distressing is going to be a big part of my Halloween crafting. It's just something that I have really been enjoying, so I'm kind of incorporating it in all of my projects. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab a piece of this black lace. You can use any lace that you have. What I do is I just kind of measure how much I'm going to need. Just eyeball it. And that is going to be placed right there. So we're just going to add a little bit of hot glue right on the top. Not too much. And be very careful because you could burn yourself, because it's lace. So I just lightly tap it. You can use like a tool or anything you have nearby. And then we're almost done, you guys. Look at that. So once you have that down, what you're going to want to do is grab your tickets and figure out how you want to layer them. I think I want to place mine like this. Maybe like that. Yep. And I like to staple them just because I like the staple look. So I just grab my tiny attacher, add one little staple, and then they're going to be hot glued down right there. Let me grab a glue stick. And we're going to place it down right on top of that lace. Okay, and that's what we have so far. Then you want to figure out what little embellishment you want to do. So I'm thinking I'm going to grab one of these little witchy fingers and put it like right here with a little spider. Let me see. Oh, you guys, I like the way this looks. Maybe I should get some of that webbing. Give me 1 second. Let me grab my web. We'll do a little something different with these. I always like to switch it up, you guys. My ideas come to me as I am crafting. So I'm gonna grab a little bit, not too much, nothing crazy. I even think this is too much because I just kind of want like a little, just a little piece. I'm gonna add some hot glue right here. And then I'm gonna put the little creepy witch. I'm so mad that I only bought one of these because they are so cute. Not cute like that, but I mean. And then we're gonna put like a little spider right there, because you can't go wrong with a spider on a Halloween project, right? And just hold that down so it can adhere. But look, you guys, isn't that cute? And then you just have it like over a little, let's say we would use this as a perfect example. Look at that. It makes a bag look 10 times cuter than this. Like, instead of this kind of instead of this kind of packaging, you have this right over it, and look at that. Doesn't that look adorable? I love it. All right, let me add some enamel dots. Well, not enamel dots, some little gems. I'm gonna put like a little purple one here and a little black one right up top. Just a little extra. See that? So let's make our next one, and this time around I'm going to show you guys how I did the tickets. Okay, so we're going to grab 2 tickets and we're going to distress them. However much you want. All right, and then what you're gonna want to do is you want to grab, I'll do Trick or Treat again because I have it on my block. And you just want to stamp right in the center. And there's the first one, and then I'm just gonna take out and put, maybe we can put another, let's see, goblins maybe? We can do goblins. Okay. We'll do goblins. You can use any Halloween stamps you have to create the tickets. Oop, that didn't come out great, but it will do. Actually, no, it's not gonna do. Did it come out? No, we're not using that one. Sorry. Yep, we're just not using it. We're gonna use another one. I think I might have distressed a little too much, and that's why goblins wasn't a good one. We're gonna try a bigger word. Should I just do spooky again, you guys? Let's do spooky again, because I didn't like the way goblins looked. Let's try, oops, spooky again. Hopefully. I'm not really great at stamping, you guys, but I am learning. Okay, let's see. It's a little dark. It's okay. It'll do. It'll do, you guys. Oh, I gotta make my little black hearts on the edges. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. So we have our little tickets done, and now what we're going to want to do is grab another doily, fold it in half, grab your other doily. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my glue right now on both sides so that I can just bring this down right here. There you go. It's attached on both sides, and we want to distress a little bit the doily. And then we're going to place our tickets. So you grab your tickets, and we're gonna do, I think this way is good. Okay. We're gonna staple, add some hot glue, I'm gonna place them right there. And then for this one, I think I want to do maybe like a bat. I think that'll look cute, like a little bat right here. And then some of these bigger little jemmies. So I'll put one right here, and then a gold one, a smaller gold one in the bottom. Yep. And then we could do like a little, I have one little spider left here. We can add this little spider right there to the edge. Oh, you know what I forgot, you guys? Oh, I'm gonna have to pull this out. Hold on, because is it gonna rip? Well, actually, I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm gonna mess it up. I forgot to put my lace, you guys. Well, this is the option. without the lace. See that? Isn't that cute? I think they turned out super cute. So you have an option with a lace and the option without the lace. That was accidental, but hey, it happens. But yeah, you guys, that's how you make these super cute bag toppers. Throw them in a cute little bag, send them to a pen pal, add some sequins in the little packaging, and you're good to go. But yep, that's it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.